Drones, an exhilarating technology to all. Drones that take vaccines far and wide. Drones that are proving to be very useful in the country's security. And drones that are building excitement towards science. On this note, a drone show is being organized on the occasion of Beating Retreat to be held on 29th January 2022. In this drone show, 1000 drones will make beautiful figures over Rashtrapati Bhavan, which will be visible from Vijay Chowk as well. The thrilling and captivating drone show will be performed by BotLab Dynamics Private Limited, the startup funded by Technology Development Board, Ministry of Science and Technology. The drone show will create various formations and showcase the innovative policies of the government. The startup is working on drone technology solutions by designing both hardware and software in-house. These drones work in tandem to create various formations while flying in the sky. So be ready for this special show to be held on January 29th during Beating the Retreat.